Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I get work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line.
What's up, QM squad? Welcome back to my channel. And y'all, guess who sent me not one but two packages in the mail? I got them both at different times, but yes, I'm doing a video. We'll be using Lancôme Paris. See right here, I don't know what's all on it, y'all. Probably my fingerprints. And the CEO of the company put together some things that she thought that I would like from their brand in this box right here. So let me show y'all some of the things that I got. So you guys, I have a bunch of stuff in here. I have some lash lifting mascara right here. I have some more mascara. It's a Booster XL. I have some waterproof liner up to 24 hours. I have, ooh, they gave me some perfume, baby. It's a Do Ara. We'll have to put some of that on. I knew this box smelled very good when I opened it. I also have some youth activating stuff. I think this is for, I've seen a lot of people use it as a primer and everything, so that's probably what I'm gonna use it for. And then she gave me two of these sunscreens right here. I have a little small palette, and then I have a priming serum. What is that? Oh, it's a lip gloss. Okay, so I have some hydrating lip gloss and also another hydrating lip gloss. It's two different colors. And y'all, I'm excited to jump into this box. But hold on, I have another. I gotta go through the other box and stuff with y'all before we get started. The next package that I have is also from them, like I told y'all. It is their iconic full coverage natural matte foundation, and I'm so excited. They gave me two shades, and y'all, look at this packaging. It's so freaking cute, y'all. And ooh, it opens upward. I love that. And it says ultra wear, and I have these two shades right here. This will look more like my shade right now. Probably in the winter I might try that one, but I think I'm gonna try this one. And this is the color, if I can get it out, y'all. This is the color 525W. So we're gonna see how this look on the skin, and we're gonna use all these for this little makeup tutorial. And let's go ahead. So the first thing I'm going in with is the Lancôme Advanced Youth Hydrating Concentrate. So I'm putting this on as a primer, and then I'm also taking their primer serum right here. Let me open it for y'all. Ooh, this is cute, y'all. This is very cute. But yeah, y'all, this is so cute. And then you have to open it like this. This is so cute. Let's see how we're gonna use it. It's pink. So hopefully it don't make like a tint in my skin and everything. Hopefully it don't do like a tint or whatever. So let's go ahead and put this on. So far as the tint and everything, I don't think it changed my skin color any. It smells very good. I love this doggone, this case is giving me life, baby. Like, it really is. So now let's go ahead with this one. And y'all, this is fake. Look, it got the little thing, and you like press it down and it sucks it up. Y'all never forget to do skin prep before you do makeup. People wonder why, like, they be like, you wear makeup a lot. Well, I don't think I wear makeup a lot. I probably wear makeup once or twice a week. But they say I wear makeup a lot, your skin is so good, this and this. I'm like, baby, it don't matter how much you wear makeup as long as you're prepping your skin and taking off your makeup good and everything and doing the necessary steps to make sure you take everything off at the end of the night. You'll be fine. You can wear as much makeup as you want and the bumps won't be coming. Unless you're timing them on. Girl, when I time them on, them bumps don't be fucking playing. Them bumps don't be playing, boo. So now the skin is prepped. I'll be right back. I'm about to go ahead and do my eye look and everything. And then I'll be right back for the foundation and all that. All right, you guys. So I have my eyeshadow look on. I did a smoky eye. How y'all like it? How y'all like it? It's been a long time since I've done a smoky eye. I'm going to tell y'all that. But let me put my eyelashes on and then we're gonna do the rest of it. All right, so now it's time for foundation. I am using the Lancôme Tint Dual Ultra Wear. I know I probably did not say that right, but it's all right, y'all. I got the color 525W. This one is more of my shade, or at least I believe this one is more of my shade from, you know, the packaging. And this little glue stuff they got on here, you know, to keep it in the box, all cute. But I'm gonna swatch both of these on my arm to see which one is a perfect match, because I would just eyeball it. I was about to eyeball it, as y'all saw, but we're gonna see based off my arm which one will go with my skin tone. So the first one that I said, swatching that, I'm doing this one first. I'm doing it on my hand. Okay, 1 dot. This is the first one, the one that I'm holding in my hand, 25W. That one's lighter than expected. So let's go to 500C. Okay. Yeah, 500C is very light. And this one is kind of light too, but it's closer to my color and I really want to see how this foundation is going to look on me. So let's go ahead and put on 525W. Let's use one full pump. Okay, one full pump. And let's see how this one pump, let's see how far it goes. Okay, one pump did this side completely, but I wasn't able to complete it with one pump. So it'll probably take 2. And this is very lightweight, I'm gonna tell you guys. It's very lightweight. So you know when you put certain foundations on, it feels very heavy on the face. This one, that's not the case. Yes. And let me take this thing off my forehead and I'm gonna finish my forehead. Cause y'all know we ain't about to have that awkward line. You feel me? And this perfect, it matched perfectly. But like, y'all, do y'all see how good this foundation looks on my skin? Like, honey, I ain't even gonna lie. From what was on my hand, I kind of think it wasn't gonna, you know, but as soon as it dried down, it's like, baby, this is it. This is it, honey. So let me do my concealer and everything, and we're gonna come back and do, you know, the mascara. We're gonna do the mascara. Yes. Alright, y'all, I'm about to take the Hypnose palette in French Nude right here. And I'm going to take this light shade right here. And I'm going to use that as my highlight today. Because I'm going to find a way to use this. Oh my god. Y'all, this? Do y'all see that highlight? Do y'all see it? It's blinding. It's like, it's blinding, baby. Like, do y'all see the difference? Do y'all see the difference? Ew. So now I'm using the Lash Lifting Voluming Mascara. And y'all know I haven't put on no bottom lash. Like, I really don't put mascara on my bottom lash. But I'm going to do it today, y'all. And the packaging of this is so cute. And it's small. And it looks like it'll work for bottom lashes. Very good. Y'all, I'm loving how the mascara looks and make me look like I have bottom lashes. I love this mascara from y'all Lancôme. Like, y'all, let me know how to pronounce this brand name because I love the stuff they done sent me. And I'm gonna do another video because I didn't use their lip stuff, but I'm gonna do another video and use everything that I didn't use on this video because we got a lot of goodies up in here, baby. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe by to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell, 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 so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. When I said be notified every time I upload a video, what, period. Thank you guys so much. I'm so excited to be doing more, like having like makeup collaborations, because I really ain't been having many people hit me up, you know, for makeup. It mostly been for fashion and stuff like that. And y'all know, if y'all been some OG followers of mine since 2016, I started off only doing makeup and everything, and none of that stuff was really branded. It was just stuff it was just what I love to do. I love doing makeup. But I saw that probably like a year or two ago, I saw that more like my fashion videos was getting more attention, so I kind of leaned more towards the fashion and lifestyle side of everything. But I still do a little beauty, so we're gonna pop that beauty back in here because y'all know my channel is all about beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. And I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for rocking with me. I know I'm kind of late on posting videos and stuff like that, but y'all, I'm gonna make sure at least to get one video out at least on Saturdays, and then Wednesday, if I have like extra videos I want to post for you guys, I'll post it on Wednesdays. So I love you guys so much, and thank y'all for watching this video, and I will see y'all later.